Hola, Mrs. Vaz here with instructions for today. Today you will be working on a project. You're gonna work on your project 1. You see your actividad inicial is asking you to write 2 facts in your notebook that you learned from the video while learning Spanish. So you're gonna have, as usual, the first 5 minutes of the class. You complete, in the first 5 minutes I will go and check and put the stamp, remember the stamp, in your paper. Remember the paper. So you keep collecting your stamps and adding your points for your warm-up. Great. And we're talking about the Spanish-speaking countries. That's los países hispanohablantes. That's the Spanish-speaking countries. So there are 21 countries where people speak Spanish as their first language. I am going to assign each one of you the country. You're going to find it in the class plan, what country you're assigned, and you are going to prepare a Google presentation about the assigned country. So you're going to include the following. So I have from 1 to 12 things that you need to include in your presentation. So you just need to go over them, read. If you don't understand what you have to do, you ask me. You're going to use one page in your Google slide. You're going to use one slide for each one of these items that I'm requesting. And do not forget to change the share settings so I can see your presentation when you submit it. You do have to submit this right here. It says submitting a website URL. You're going to have the submission button right here. You click on it and then you paste the link for your presentation where you previously changed the share settings. If you don't know how to change the share settings, you can ask me. Or you can also go to my frequently asked questions section. Let's see, right here. And click where it says, how do I change my share settings of the Google presentation so my teacher can see it? And then you just do it, and that will be it. You submit, and then I can see it, and I can grade it. Okay. Little pause to find the project again. Okay. I put right here an example that I made. So here's the example made by me about my country. By the way, for those who don't know, I'm from Colombia, South America. So you just need to kind of do the same. You have the example there. I put the link there. And that's all you had to do for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Adios.